के लिए न्यू जर्सी में जून के महीने की शुरुआत मनोरंजक रही। यहां पहला वार्षिक इंडिपेंडेंट साउथ एशियन सिनेफेस्ट आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज और कमर्शियल फिल्म्स दर्शाई गई। 2 दिन चले फिल्म फेस्ट का आयोजन प्रसिद्ध जॉर्ज स्ट्रीट प्ले हाउस में किया गया। इस फेस्टिवल का आनंद उठाने साउथ एशियन के अतिरिक्त अन्य मूल के लोग भी पहुंचे। एक रिपोर्ट। न्यू जर्सी में आयोजित पहले वार्षिक इंडिपेंडेंट साउथ एशियन सिनेफेस्ट ने नई उभरती प्रतिभाओं को महत्वपूर्ण मंच प्रदान किया। उनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए न्यू जर्सी की पूर्व रेटपेयर एडवोकेट सीमा सिंह, फिल्मों और रंगमंच की दुनिया से डॉक्टर मोहन अगाशे, मिसिसिपी मसाला और कामासूत्रा फिल्म की प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री सरिता चौधरी और ब्रॉडवे एवं हॉलीवुड में धीरे धीरे पैर जमा रही अभिनेत्री सकीना जाफरी पहुंची।
न्यू जर्सी साउथ एशियन इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म फेस्टिवल, which I hope will build bridges between diverse communities by exploring the experience of South Asians both in Asia and here in our faraway homeland, the United States. I want to commend the festival organizers and the filmmakers for their work in promoting our culture and providing this opportunity to share it with the general audience. This sharing of our culture builds the understanding and the tolerance that is required to combat the hatred and violence that we are all seeing in this world.
It's great. It's good to watch films, and when one comes to watch a film, one doesn't want anyone to stand and give lectures. Because there is a major paradigm shift in literacy, from reading and writing to language of image and sound. Because we spend more time in watching things. Second thing, it condenses. If you have to read a book, the time it requires can be told in much lesser time if you add image and sound to that. And especially after advent of digital technology and computer and convergence, the major divide between literacy and illiteracy is those who know how this language works, digital, and those who don't know how. Conventionally, we think film is a fiction and news is real. It's completely opposite now. And that's because of the image and language. News is more fictitious than some of the art cinema which is more realistic. That's why we need to see films now, right? Both documentaries and all. And I'm really happy because now we are in an era with computer and digital technology, like pen and paper, digital cameras. You have access to make your own films, put them on the net and create your own audience. So no dalals, no agents in between. It's all yours, and take it and meet big. All the best.
I want to thank Mr. Sengupta for inviting me and founding this festival. I think, when I first came to America, I always thought London was the center of independent cinema, especially South Asian. They had films like My Beautiful Laundrette, Sammy and Rosie Got Laid, and they were radical, and in general, being an artist in London is normal. And in New York, if you're Indian and you're an actor, it's considered a little, I don't know how to explain, like you're still supposed to be a doctor or a scientist. There's a little more pressure. And I feel it's time now to change that, and I think festivals like this will. And, we're starting small, and so I do encourage everyone.
The irony is that I come from, although it's Saeed Jaffrey and Madhur Jaffrey, I come from such a non-traditional background in a way, because there's a Mathur from Delhi marrying a Muslim from Lucknow. They get divorced. Then my mother marries my stepfather, who's a black guy who plays in the New York Philharmonic. I grew up in Greenwich Village, and I actually have learned more about the Indians who live in this country through film and through these independent films than probably anybody, because I remember when I got the script for the film that's playing after this, I said to Deepika, wait, so both the parents are doctors and they want all of their kids to be doctors? Come on, this isn't really reasonable. You're making this up. She said, hello. And I went to West Texas, and in this community, every parent was a doctor, and they wanted every child to be a doctor too. So for me, coming from a family of artists, it's all new to me. So I'm happy to be playing it in films, but obviously not all of them became doctors, because a lot of them became independent filmmakers, which I'm very grateful for. Thanks.
We have come a long way from there. Today, our dream is a reality. We wanted to bring the best South Asian independent films from around the world to your doorstep.
फेस्टिवल में अलग अलग दृष्टिकोण एवं मुद्दों पर आधारित रोमांचक फिल्में दर्शाई गई। उन्हीं में से एक थी 1001 Auditions।
Come to New York. From one audition to another, that's all you've been doing all these years.
Can you lift your skirts? Can you lift it a little more? Okay, turn around.
This film is about a struggling actress in New York, and she realizes her true karma. And so the essence of the movie is if you keep working and you do your karma without thinking of the risks or the rewards, you'll automatically be successful, which is a wonderful sort of way to live by, because it can resonate with anyone, whether you're a doctor, engineer, or an artist, or anything. If you keep doing your work, you'll automatically be successful, and there's always ups and downs in life, but if you keep doing it, you'll get there.
So this short film idea came through, like I had a couple of stories with me, and I was looking for a short story subject, and thinking about like people, filmmaker themselves, like how much struggle they go through and to make any project happen. And then I said, okay, let me make a short film on this filmmaker, and I picked the actress, or a story of an actor, because most people, they think like actors, they have like name, fame, glamour, but not many people know from day to day life how much struggle they go through.
कम्युनिटी राउंडअप के आज के अंक को अब यहीं संपन्न करते हैं। यदि आप भी अपने किसी समारोह की सूचना हमें देना चाहते हैं तो इस नंबर पर फैक्स करें 732-650-1112 पर, या फिर ईमेल करें communitynews@tvasiausa.com पर। अगले अंक तक के लिए विकास नांगे को अब इजाजत दीजिए। नमस्कार।